everyone. Now I will presentation today with title Mini Sociological Research in PP Village, Sedati, Sidoarjo. Before I start my presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Salman Al-Farisi with NIM 057. I'm from B class. What is PP Village? PP Village is a village located in Sedati, Sidoarjo. PP Village is divided into two areas, namely the PP Tani area is the first with rice field commodities, and number two is the PP Pond area with pond commodities. To explain social group and social dynamic. According to Robert K. Martin, a social group is a group of people who interact with each other based on patterns that have been formed and have a certain social structure. In PP Village, divide into two groups. The first, based on how it is formed, is number one, formal group. The village cooperative, young organization, Mosque Young. And number two, informal group is hobby community, climate, and labor gathering. Is the second is based on function. Number one, primary is family and neighbor, and number two, secondary is social service group. The second, fishing group. The third, study group. Next slide, explain social dynamic. Social dynamic are social things that occur as a result of the interaction of two or more individuals in society who have a clear psychological relationship in the situation they are experiencing. Change in social dynamic in PB Village. Number one, socioeconomic change. Number two, social mobility. Number three, change in culture and lifestyle. This is in accordance with Talcott's person theory, structural functionalism theory, and Peter Sorkin theory, social mobility theory. Next slide, explain positive and negative influence. The first, positive. Positive is increasing economic prosperity, education and skill development, social harmonization, through tradition, and the last, job diversification. Don't positive again, but have negative. The first, decreasing social solidarity, dependent on technology and intergroup conflict, and the last, environmental degradation. In the next slide, explain social stratification and social mobility. Based on Peter A. Sorokin's theory, social stratification is the differentiation of society into hierarchical layers based on economic, political, and social status. In PB Village is divided into three social layers. In three social layers in PB Village is number one, based on economic. A. Upper class. The first point owner, the second rice field owner, and the third shop owner. B. Intermediate layer. The first farmer with limited land. Office work is the third UMKM activity actors. And C. Lower class. The first farm workers. The second fishpond workers. And the third and the last factory workers or factory workers is the second from social layers is education, more or less the same as the economic layer. The difference is that the upper layer is dominated by people with degrees or graduates, and the third in three social layers is based on social roles. A or number one, top layer, community figure such as village head. RW heads and neighborhood heads, Ustad and Kiai. And next is bottom layer, ordinary residents who only act as participants in village social activities. And in the next slide, explain cultural ecology and societal adaptation. Cultural ecology in baby village show a close relationship between society and the environment in order to maintain a balance between the use of natural resources and environmental sustainability. A. Adaptation to the physical environment. Number one, agroforestry methods, traditional and modern irrigation, pond cultivation, and water management. In the B, adaptation of technology. Adaptation to technology is tool modernization, marketing digitalization, adoption of telecommunication technology. And next, explain gender and development issue. Number one, gender roles in life in PB village have a male role, leadership positioning, such as village head, farmer group leader, or religious figures. And next is nominate the pond on agricultural sector, as the main works such as cultivating milkfish and processing cultural land. And B, B, woman roles is responsible for taking care of the household, children and family education, active in religious study group, PKK, or social gathering activities. And number two is development issue. Issues such as unequal access to education, the double burden of women, and the dominance of men in leadership are still challenges in village development. Social change and development. Talked person in the theory of structural functionalism say that social change occur because society adapts to new needs that arise as a result of development. For example, infrastructure modernization and economic diversification in baby village, agriculture, ponds, and fishing tourism increase social mobility and community welfare so that the social structure remains stable. Recommend solutions or strategies to overcome problem. Number two, problem. Uneven infrastructure often becomes an obstacle obstacle to development. Strategy improve the quality of roads, bridges, and water system so that access between regions is smoother. And number two problem is unequal access to education and job training. Strategy new skills training program for farmer and fishermen to be able to adapt to modern technology. And problem number three is dependent on certain sector such as agriculture or ponds. And strategy is encourage the development of small and medium enterprise UMKM based on local potential such as processed product from harvest of ponds. Thank you for listening my explanation presentation today. Thank you very much and see you. Bye bye.